I mean, what is the purpose of lying if we don't trust you? I mean, not much people realized that our undersea cables, nearly 100% of transoceanic data traffic. These lines are laid on the bottom and usually carries the world's internet, phone calls, even TV transmissions between continents. If 100% of internet data is transmitted to underwater cables, that only means that communication satellites are totally unnecessary. I mean, there is no satellites floating out space. It is a scam, since our ocean is our real space. This photo right here was installed year 1410, a 600-year-old clock, remarkable fusion of timekeeping, even celestial wisdom that stood the test of time. Does it look heliocentric to you or geocentric? Geography is called geography with purpose, and not heliography. Horizon is called horizon with its purpose, it's horizontal. Airplane is called airplane with a purpose that we are living on a flat plane. I mean, you already let your partner lie to you. The governments lie to you. And NASA too? Come on. You shouldn't drink the whole ocean of lies, thinking that the taste salty will taste like a sugar. Imagination always creates reality, okay? Now imagine how this world is a flying ball, rumbling around, but Polaris and our constellation remain in the same position. I mean, how many billions of dollars invested in these so-called spaceships just to lie to us that they reach outer space? Unfortunately for NASA and modern astronomers, that their theory of spherical Earth does not usually agree with facts, because the formula of their curvature has always been found to be utterly fallacious. That's both on land and water. Have you remembered the Lake Baikal, the largest freshwater lake that's located in Russia, with 395 miles long and 49 miles wide, and always frozen for 5 months a year, and it is so thick that cars can pass through across its flat surface. And this is their calculation, quote-unquote curvature. It's funny to think that if Earth were a globe, there is supposed to be 19 miles of curvature present on the surface of the Lake Baikal. Instead, there is 19 miles of frozen curvature absent. Real physicists that can't be bought by governments always knew Earth is flat. Quantum physicists always work off of a flat Earth model. Satellites on space, huh? You know, aircraft would need to use what they called the dead reckoning. A dead reckoning is when an aircraft lose its communication on any ground tower, and they have to maintain their heading, speed, and altitude until they get reconnected with another land-based tower. If they could communicate through satellites in space, they don't need to use the dead reckoning, yeah? But they do, because the satellite on space is a scam. Our space is the ocean, period. Astronauts can't be an astronaut without scuba diving lessons. Like, have you ever think, why the hell is that? I mean, Earth is flat like your ass. Space is fake like your ex. And history is fiction like your relation. And politics only serve as a distraction like your side chick's motion. Our weather is controlled like your cum. Crises are manufactured like the face of your girlfriend. We are always poisoned by our air, water, and food, especially among other things. And I'm not gonna apologize of how I think. And yeah, Globers may laugh about it. At least I'm not the ones laughing that you're blind, or your blindness even blind you that your partner cheated on you and you still believe him. Love is blind, so salam alaikum.